So now when we have these lines and we know what to do, we will actually we will add some color outside this part, so we have some framing and get a feel of where everything ends. So I will just add some bright gray now outside here. Just to have some contrast and to, you know, have something, some color, dead color around it. I'm using these Caran d'Ache colors. What I like about them is that there's so much pigment, so it's like really fun painting with them. Okay, so I just mix this now, or activate it, it's called, like this. Great. And this will dry and we will plan what's next, the next step.